In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom poster frame, thumbnail, for a video in PowerPoint. A poster frame is the still image you see on your slide before the video starts playing. Setting a custom one is great for creating a clean, professional first impression, especially if the default first frame is black or mid-motion. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by clicking once on the video on your slide to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges and playback controls appear beneath the video. Selecting it is important because many of the tools you need only show up when a video is active. With the video selected, look at the ribbon along the top of PowerPoint. You should see a contextual tab called Video Format. If you don't see it, click the video again. The tab only appears when the video is selected. This tab houses the settings that control the look and behavior of your video on the slide. Before you set the poster frame, you need to land on the exact frame you want to use as the thumbnail. Use the playback controls under the video to play or scrub through the timeline. You can drag the playhead slowly for precise positioning, and pausing at just the right moment helps you capture a clean, sharp image. If you're aiming for a frame with text or a logo, move frame by frame until everything is readable and centered. Give the video a second to render so the image looks crisp. Once you're parked on the perfect frame, go back to the Video Format tab. Find the Poster Frame button. Click Poster Frame, then choose Current Frame. PowerPoint will immediately set the visible still as the thumbnail for that video on the slide. This doesn't change the content of your video. It simply updates what appears before playback starts. From now on, when you navigate to this slide during your presentation, that chosen frame will display as the video's thumbnail, helping your audience know exactly what the clip is about before you press play. If you ever need to adjust it, just repeat the same process. Select the video, scrub to a better moment, and choose Poster Frame, then Current Frame again. That's all there is to it. Select the video, go to Video Format, find the exact moment you want, and set Poster Frame to Current Frame. It's a quick, reliable way to make your slides look polished and intentional.